Hey guys, out here in freezing Flagstaff, Arizona. Woke up today with a bit of a fever, so I'm going to make some pine tea. Uh, see if that helps at all. It's got about. I don't want to over exaggerate, so I'm going to under guess it. I know it's at least 10 times as much vitamin C as a cup of orange juice. So so let's get it going here. As you guys saw, I filled this with snow. This snow just fell in the last hour, so I'm not worried about it being having any animal feces on it or anything like that, or else I would have maybe not done this or dug at least a little bit. You know, they say to go about a half inch below the ground. Usually that's a little bit cleaner snow than just what's on top, but I know that what was on top was clean, so I'm just going to go with that. First things first, I need to melt down this snow. Okay, stand there, it's uneven, of course. The ground I'm on, apparently. So step one's obviously, well, for me it's melting the snow down. If you just have normal water, obviously, all you have to do is boil the water. But I'm gonna get this melted down first. I've already had to fill it up again a few times with snow because this much snow makes this much water. So we're gonna finish this up and get the tea boiling here. But the first thing you want to do when you're gathering the pines is make sure they're all green. You don't want to have them, if they're 6 inches long, you don't want to have 5 inches green and another inch brown. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure you find so they're all green, they're alive, they're healthy, and those are going to get you the most nutrients, the most vitamin C. All right, water's melted down here. Go ahead and get the pines in there while the fire's still going. See, there it is. Now I just made about a cup's worth, and it's really simple to make, guys. Just let it boil 15 minutes and you'll be ready. Looks like we got barely 15 minutes of light left, so let's hope it's on the fast side. Alright guys, so we've been boiling here for about 15 minutes now. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but the pine needles have turned about a brown color. They were green, bright green, almost brown now. Cooked everything out of them. So I'm just going to pour this into a cup and enjoy it. Great thing about this tea is it doesn't really have much of a taste, so you boil enough pine needles in it, might get a little bit of a taste. Even then, not too bad. So if you're not feeling good, highly recommend just running out your back door and grabbing some needles and boiling them up. Great remedy for any cold, and I'm going to drink it right now because honestly I'm not feeling too good. It's getting dark, so I'm going to get back to the house as soon as possible. So if you guys got any questions, comments, just leave them below, and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.